If your TVMS Rogue is showing a channel output over temperature fault, don't stress. In this video, we'll walk you through what it means, how to find the fault, and how to fix the fault so your setup is running again. If you're not technically minded or don't have any auto electrical experience, we recommend you use a qualified installer, such as a REDARC Red Network member. With over 100 members around Australia and New Zealand, there is one near you. And to find yours, visit the REDARC website. Unlike traditional fuse blocks that rely on physical fuses, the TVMS Rogue uses electronic fuses, designed to safely handle up to 10 amps of current per output channel. If a device draws too much current or there's a wiring issue that causes a short on a channel, the Rogue will trigger a channel output over temperature fault to protect your wiring and devices. One of three things typically cause this fault code: either a device that draws more than 10 amp is connected to the channel, there's a short circuit or partial short in the wiring, or a faulty accessory isn't operating as it should and is drawing excess current. When any of these occur, the affected channel will shut off, just like a blown fuse would, cutting power to that circuit to prevent damage or overheating. However, unlike a physical fuse, the TVMS Rogue will automatically try to reactivate the channel up to 3 times, safely shutting down if the fault is still detected. If the fault is still detected after the 3rd attempt, the Rogue will lock out the channel and require you to manually reset it once the underlying issue has been fixed. This prevents the circuit from cycling on and off repeatedly while a serious fault is still present. To resolve a channel output over temperature fault, you first need to identify which channel is affected. The icon of the affected channel will be locked and show in red on the RedVision display and the RedVision app. In some cases, correcting the issue is as simple as checking whether a high current device has been plugged into the affected output, such as an air compressor being plugged into an Anderson connector, usually connected to a fridge. If this isn't the case, you'll need to identify the issue on that channel. Before you start working on the affected wiring, turn off the channel by pressing the associated soft key on the display. Please note that clearing this fault can only be done by the RedVision display. First, inspect the accessory. Look for obvious damage, signs of overheating, or an indication that the device is malfunctioning and drawing excess current. Next, check the wiring. Confirm the correct cable size has been used. Look for crushed, pinched, or exposed wiring and inspect for loose connections or signs of corrosion. Finally, test the connected device. If possible, temporarily disconnect the accessory and test it on another suitable power source. Alternatively, replace it with a known good accessory to see if the fault still occurs after resetting the affected channel. Once you've located the issue, repair or replace the faulty wiring or accessory as required, providing adequate time in resolving the root cause to prevent the fault from returning. With the fault fixed, head back to the display. Reset the affected channel by pressing the power button to bring up the power control page, and then press the fuse reset button. This allows the Rogue to clear the fault and attempt to power that channel again. This channel should now operate normally without re-triggering the over temperature fault. For more information on the TVMS Rogue and other Help Center content, head to redarcelectronics.com.